Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Deepak Day. Today we are going to learn and write 10 lines on a picnic with family. Line number 1. My family has decided for a picnic on my younger sister birthday. Line number 2. We went to the Agra. Line number 3. My mother had prepared some food and a big cake. Line number 4. My father also bought snacks, fruits, and energy drinks. Line number 5. We all went to the picnic at 6 o'clock in the morning by bus. Line number 6. As soon as we reached Agra, we first saw the Taj Mahal. Line number 7. The first time I saw the Taj Mahal, it was golden inside and white on the outside. Line number 8. After that, we are went to a restaurant and sometime rest. Line number 9. In evening around 4 o'clock, we are went a big garden and enjoy there. Line number 10. There we are celebrated my younger sister birthday and also spend more time with us family.